Well, guys, no cars face more peril from their new owners than Lamborghinis, which tends to be the first choice for those whose wealth exceeds their driving ability and common sense on their best days. The latest evidence in a never-ending series of reports, this crash in California featuring a $220,000 Murcielago, ditched by its owner following a crash that totaled the car after just a few hours with the keys in hand. And now police want some answers. The 2008 Murcielago was found alongside the freeway in La Jolla, California late Monday night, with witnesses saying it had been speeding before swiping a median. A man and woman were seen running from the car. Police told local news stations that the Lamborghini still had its paperwork from the purchase from a dealership 80 miles away a few hours earlier, showing the name of the owner, but authorities have not said whether they believe the owner was driving at the time. Well, guys, this is your video report. Have a wonderful day.